What's up, YouTube? We got ourselves a 2012 Chevy Tahoe with the 5.3 V8, and we have these codes: P0332, some oil pressure codes, and random multiple misfire. So, show you the symptoms. Saying it's the NOx sensor, so car starts, higher RPMs. You can hear the engine struggling, and yeah, you hear that bullshit. That doesn't sound good at all. Doesn't sound like it's moving retarded. Give it gas. Car revs extremely. Zero oil pressure. Service. Normal codes. Misfire. Hella bad. Yeah, you can hear. I'm gonna turn this shit the fuck off, but yeah, we're gonna try the NOx sensor, hopefully, and we might throw some spark plugs on this shit, but this car shouldn't be surging like this. Even when you put it in drive, car shakes, misfires, put it in reverse, same thing too. Car stumbles upon acceleration. Ooh, the brake light came on too. Service brakes on. I ain't never seen that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that shit off. But yeah, getting different codes all the time. So that shit stay the fuck on. Hold on. Not change the code. Change our light. Got new codes on this joint.